Today we're at the Devil's Lake Basin Wetland Reserve easement in northeast North Dakota. Landowners apply for a 30-year easement program. And part of that easement is the 644 practice we call Wetland Wildlife Habitat Management. So the goal of that practice is to not only preserve, but enhance that practice, the wetlands themselves.
This is a family farm that's been in the family since the late 1800s. We reached out to NRCS to improve soil health and also turn it into native prairie since we weren't actively farming anymore.
So the Wetland Reserve Easement Program is a great alternative for farmers that these marginal lands that they can put in where they're not being able to farm it, they're not able to make agricultural production on it. And we can help them with that so they're getting something out of it and we get the restoration benefits from that. Either just maintain them or we enhance it, whether through mechanical restoration or vegetative restoration.
We do have a big increase of wildlife habitat, including a lot of variety of birds, ducks, geese, waterfowl, blue herons, increase of pollinators in the area, and we even have a pair of nesting bald eagles. That's probably the biggest thing, is the increase in habitat and protect the soils and improve the conservation.